everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Khushi and you are watching Khushi Not Only Makeup. In today's video, I have something extremely unique and something which is very trending currently. I am talking about one fashion sensation which is taking the fashion industry by storm. Most of us like to go to a salon for the festive pampering, right? And out of all our haircut, our makeup, our skincare, one thing which is right now very trending is nails. So most of you must have heard about nails extension. If any of you have done those nail extensions, would be knowing that these nail extensions will cost you somewhere around 2,000-3,000 for a single session in one salon. Am I right? What if I tell you that you will not have to go to a salon, yet you can get celebrity like manicure with amazing nails right at your home? If you have noticed me talking in the video, you must have noticed I have beautiful nails today, and these nails are courtesy Amazon. These are the beautiful nails I'm talking about, and these are from Amazon. These are not parlor ready. These are Amazon ready nails, and I've got them for a phenomenal price, and you can get it too. I will tell you all of it in the video. Keep watching till the end. So I have got myself some sets of press-on nails. What are press-on nails? These are very simple to apply. You can use it at home with your own help, without any external help of your partner or your brother or your sister. You can do it all by yourself, and today I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, let me show you how to use press-on nails. In one single kit you will get. Alright, I will show you step by step how do I put press-on nails. I am first selecting this 12 nail set, which is a festive edition. I have got a glue, a nail buffer, a cleaning swab and a cuticle adjuster. I am first going to clean my nails and then put them on one by one. So here are 12 nails. You can take your pick as per your nail bed size. Fix them all without pasting them, and first check that which one is fitting your index finger, which one is fitting your middle finger, and then wear them one by one. This is the one I had showed you in the first clipping of the video. It is one of my favorite till date. Here comes nail stickers, and again I am checking which nail will fit which of my fingers, and here are 24 stickers and 24 press-on nails. So first I am going to apply this on my thumbnail. It is very simple. Peel it off first, adjust it on your nail, then peel it off again and put your press-on nails and press it lightly so that both of them stick to each other, and this is how the finished look looks like. It's beautiful. It is absolutely festive ready. You are ready to turn on some heads and make some conversations happen. They are beautiful to look at, simple to wear and matching with my outfit. Currently I'm wearing this beautiful sari which I'm going to show you in the next video. It's also a very unique piece. So subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Here is the next set. Please remember, all the sets are not alike. Some are 24, some are 12, some are different, and this one is a 24 nail set and beautifully combined with this neon colors and sparkly shade. Comes with a glue but not with a sticker. One of my favorites because of the color availability. There are so many colors in one single kit. You can wear it in different ways. This is again a great find. These are 24 in numbers and they can create different varieties of looks, because you can also wear it with just like the flowers or just the square ones. It's going to look so good and absolutely brilliant because of so many colors available. In case you have a lot of nail paints, you don't want to waste those nail paints but still you want to make your nails look this good, you can order something like this. This is the white color press-on nails for your 10 fingers in both our hands. As you can see, these are 100 nails in white color. All of them are specially designed for every girl out there. You can take your size, you can fix it on your nail like this, like I am doing. So there's a glue intact with this set. All you got to do is put it on your nail bed or put it on the nail and stick it for around 5 to 10 seconds with some gentle press, and you will see that it has got stuck really well. And as I'm showing you, there are so many variants, but for every nail every size there is one, so you need not worry, you will definitely find your size. And this is how they look once you wear it. They are so natural, so good looking, that no one can tell that it's not your real nail. It just absolutely looks like real. And you can also file them just like I am doing, just like your normal nail, it will also get filed. You can also put nail polish, that's the best part, so that is why these look absolutely real. And you can put these nail art stickers as well. I'm going to link the nail art stickers and nail polishes on the description as well, so do check that out. And this is how my nail finally look. This one is also available in a transparent variant, that is also very beautiful. You can check out that as well, that's in a different shape altogether. It's very pretty. These press-on nails are for everyone, for your daughter, for yourself, for your mom. Anyone can wear it. If you are a new mom, it's a blessing for you, because you don't have to go to a parlor and waste your time over there. Get one from Amazon and use it right when you have to go out. It is that simple. It is beautiful. And whenever you have to head for a party or for a meeting or for a get together, you can easily sport these nails. And lots of variety available on Amazon. I'm going to link all of these products in the description box, so do check that out. Moving on to the next set of nails. All these ones have 24 or 12 set of. Alright, so someone who loves a lot of colors but in metallic finish, this one is for you. I am currently sporting the grey and silver one. You can also pick the purple one, red one, pink one, so many colors available, also gold. So I'm listing this, and these are all press-on nails. These are very affordable on Amazon, and you can get it too. Right now, after watching the video, check out all the links which I'm sharing with you. You can head on to that and you can shop your heart out for amazing discounts going on currently. You do not want to miss this offer. You do not want to miss that look, because people are going to ask you, what are these nails? How do you maintain it? How do you do it? So this is all because of the press-on nails, and currently I am on cloud 9 while I show you all of them one by one. Now moving on to my best favorite Indian festive wala nail. This is this beauty out here. This is a full complete set which comes with the glue. It's a fantastic piece. Just look at the beauty. It is fabulous. You should get your hands on this if you're looking. Alright, so that is it for the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know which one was your favorite, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.